choice today with 2015 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, steel wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, FWD, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.